Every Life Matters Humanitarian Foundation and Key MediCare Hospital provide free medical services to the residents of the Federal Capital Territory. The medical mission includes distribution of infant milk, free consultation with specialists, basic health screening, free pharmaceutical care, and free drug and medical consumables. The mission, which took place at the premises of Key MediCare Hospital, Gwarinpa, had FCT residents trooping in their number. Speaking, the founder, Every Life Matters, and also the founder, Key MediCare Hospital, Chief Dr. Chetachi Dikko, says her desire is to contribute to improving the health status of many who cannot afford their services.
This medical mission means a lot to me because there's a lot of families, a lot of women, a lot of children that lacks medical care. So if I can be able to give them an examination, they see the doctors and are able to live here with medications, that gladdens my heart. And the best part of it this year, what we're doing today is that we have baby formulas. So we can give, pregnant women.
Some of the beneficiaries commended the organizer for providing them with free medical services.
And then they have attended to me. No, let me go and collect the drugs. And then continue. I have to thank you people and say continue. The Lord whom I serve will strengthen you people the more and give you more grace to continue. I want to say God bless them. They try and God will continue to bless them and God will bring more customers to them.
Many who were at the medical mission were provided with services on blood pressure, blood sugar, eye care, amongst others. Joseph Kadri, ITV News, Abuja.